Want this quality? Open Adobe Premiere Pro and import your edit. Drag your edit and drop it here. Go to the Video Effects section and choose Blur and Sharpen. Apply Sharpen on Sharp Mask and Lumetri Color. Go to Effects Control and set Sharpen to 15 to 20 and Sharpen 50, radius 5/8. In Lumetri Color, set Faded Film to 5, Vibrance to 10 to 20, and Saturation to 85. In the Look section, add SL Blue Moon and set Intensity to 50. Then export.